Hello, my name is Raja Kumar Batumalai and my matriculation number is 7911090550690001, and currently I am doing Bachelor of Occupational Safety and Health Management with honor and my learning center in Negri Sembilan. Today I am going to share about Camlog 6411 adhesive and Camlog 205 adhesive process in manufacturing industry. Adhesive has been providing high performance rubber to metal bond that reduce risk and improve process in industries like automotive, power generation, civil engineering, oil and gas, and industrial applications. It composed of mixture of polymers, heat and reactive components dissolved or dispersed in an organic system. Kevlar 6411 adhesive should be used as a solvent cover coat adhesive over Kevlar 205 primer. The coating I define as a mixture of various materials including volatile organic compounds VOCs. For the dilution process, xylene solvent is to be used. Here you can see the Camlog 205 and Camlog 6411. There is a warning stated here: is a flammable liquid and vapor are harmful if inhaled, may affect the brain or nervous system, and may cause eye, skin, nose and throat irritations. Overexposure may cause liver, lung and kidney damages. The signage is flammable acutely toxicity. The applying method are: thoroughly clean the metal surface prior to primer applications. Remove the protective oil and cutting oils and bisolvent decreasing or alkaline cleaning. Remove the rust, scale or oxide coating by suitable chemical and mechanical cleaning methods. The primer allow thoroughly dry before applying the Camlog and adhesive. Mixing process: thoroughly stir adhesive before use. They agitate sufficiently during use to keep the dispersed solid uniformly suspended. If a dilution is needed, use xylene or toluene. Note: proper dilution for the various application method is the best achieved by experience. Give a careful attention to agitation since the dilution will accelerate settling. The applying method: adhesive apply by brush, roll coat, deep spray and run any other methods that give uniform coating to avoid excessive run and tears. Regardless of the application methods, the dry film thickness Camlog 641 adhesive should be in 12.7 to 25 micron. For the drying and curing, allow the apply adhesive to dry until visual examinations of the film had been shown that a solvent is evaporated. This will be approximately 30 minutes at the room temperature. So these are the final product after cam locked. The part has been molded and will be conditioned. The final product will be checked strength and bonding, shearing the part. You can see the part is torn. The good practice and safety measure in this process: have a good performance spray boot. Eyewash should be in good working condition in case of emergency. Headphones and earmuffs to stand with the spray boot motor noise. Proper PPE with recommended by DOSH should be used. The hazard mitigation methods: the spray booth should always done inside the spray booth, should check the LED system perform well, the daily checklist with the CFM meter, the proper PPE such as respirator mask should be worn. The new employee should be trained well before entering into the production. For existing employees, and refresher program have to be done frequently to alert the seriousness. In conclusion, the coating process has to handle in a few type of chemical such as xylene, MEK and adhesive itself. The management should follow all the requirement safety precautions. All operators or person do directly indirectly handle this chemical should aware the safety and hazard of this chemical. The safety managers constantly searching for the alternative sources to replace hazardous chemical on the regular basis. Thank you.